Well, some state lawmakers, they want to push back now against prior legislature moves to fully open police disciplinary records in the wake of police misconduct cases.
Well, they say it went too far without civil rights protection for officers from bogus allegations of wrongdoing, which might be used against them. Channel 2's Ron Plants has the story.
In 2020, following widely reported police misconduct cases, the state legislature voted to repeal Civil Rights Law 50A, which was originally intended to protect police officers and other first responders from the use of their records as a form of harassment against them, perhaps by someone they arrested or even in litigation against them. State Assemblyman Chludzinski, a retired Cheektowaga police lieutenant, says that sweeping move just went too far.
I removed these safeguards, which created a system where even baseless allegations can be made public.
So now his introduced bill would call for an independent judge to determine what police records information could be released to the public, or even a formal news media freedom of information request. This is his reasoning.
Many cases could be false or baseless allegations made by a criminal that they had dealt with that wants to now file complaints against them.
But even with a greater use of police body cameras and accountability efforts, there are still cases like that of now suspended Erie County Sheriff Narcotics Chief DJ Granville, who recently pleaded guilty to reckless driving and leaving the scene of a property damage accident, which was revealed by the news media and in which the Niagara County DA says Buffalo police officers at the scene refused to cooperate at all with his investigation, while the BPD says it's continuing its internal investigation.
Do you have any concern that your measure could perhaps give people ammunition who are citing that blue wall of silence for not being forthcoming about police officers' records?
In no way is this bill intended to prevent an officer that did wrongdoing and was confirmed to have done wrongdoing to not release that to the public. With no due process, if someone comes to the window to request those records, they may see 5 or 6, or a handful of complaints against a particular officer, but they could be all false or unfounded. How is that fair?
Now, State Senator Patrick Gallivan, a former Erie County Sheriff and State Police Captain with a companion Senate measure, notes that while police accountability is necessary, there must be, again, due process protection for police officers. These measures now in legislature government operations committees. On your side, Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.
Ron.